Hi, you clicked on this link because you want to know how to take excellent notes in class, and I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly every time. All right, this video is about taking notes, and the way we're going to do this is the way I did it back in 1990, and it worked really well for me. Group of students, we went up to the teacher and asked if we could record the class on microcassette, and the teachers gave full permission to do that. So we put our cassette recorders right up on the desk where the teacher was lecturing. We'd play it for 45 minutes or record it for 45 minutes, and we'd have the entire class right there for reference later that day or the next day. So what I did was I hit record, put it on the desk, and it did a couple of things. One, it allowed me to take the notes that I needed to take in class while also allowing me to supplement with notes that I took off the recorder later on that day. And number two, and it's even more important than number one, is if I've got something on tape and I'm trying to write it as fast as I can and I can't keep up, I don't raise my hand and ask I don't raise my hand and ask the teacher to repeat it because I've got it on tape. So it does a couple of things. It allows you to be spot on later on in the afternoon when you put all this stuff together. And number two, it allows the class to move forward so there aren't so many questions. All right, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.